us. And eventually it's just S.
It's like a snake saying hello. That's a joke. There's no way that's real.
Super informal.
It's the good stuff.
Literally.
Can't get enough of it. KON'CHA!
Hi, Sydney.
KON'CHA!
Hi, Sydney.
Hi, Kisa. This is the first time we've ever met. Hajimemashite.
Hajimemashite.
So, Kisa, I've been living in Japan for about a year now, and I am a giant weeb, okay? I love anime, I love manga, can't get enough of it, it's the good stuff.
Aww.
But even though I've been living here and I've been, I know a bit of Japanese, but I still don't think I've learned enough where I feel like I've really genuinely, truly improved.
I know, me too, me neither. So, I mean, my English, I'm still struggling with, so I understand you completely. So today, I wanted to talk about Japanese greetings.
Yes.
You might not know, or deeper meanings we have.
That sounds amazing.
It's like,
that sounds like
okay.
something that'd be life-changing. So like, for example, like when we started the show, we said KON'CHA. Is that a real word?
Good point.
KON'CHA.
Good point.
Would people understand if I said KON'CHA to them? Would they, like,
Oh,
if I said
I guess, yeah, it works. KON'CHA?
Awesome.
Yeah.
I might give it a try.
Good.
Maybe.
KON'CHA. You might sometimes see it in Japanese online games, like in chat.
Cute. That's cute. Like
you might see KON'CHA because it's easier to type. Then Kon'nichiwa, it's long, right? So you just go KON'CHA. So other than KON'CHA, I was going to talk about other greeting words.
I'm hyped
for Japanese. So let's move on, I guess.
Let's go.
Welcome back, guys. So today we're going to learn about Japanese greetings outside of the textbooks. Yes. Okay, so start with Ohayou gozaimasu.
Ohayou gozaimasu.
Ohayou gozaimasu. Do you know what it means, Sydney?
Good morning.
Ohayou gozaimasu means it is early.
Okay.
Yeah.
Like in the West, if somebody's like, "Oh, it is early," they'd be like, "Okay, what else you gotta say, Bob?" So in Japanese people, it's like "Ohayou gozaimasu."
Ohayou gozaimasu. It literally means it is early, right?
Yes.
But it doesn't say when.
Okay.
Yeah.
You can use it just essentially at any time.
Yeah. So you might hear Ohayou gozaimasu in office, like when you go into your office and some people might say Ohayou gozaimasu. I think it's in showbiz only, but some people say Ohayou gozaimasu.
Oh, like you're early.
Yeah.
Ah!
You're on time.
I got you.
Yeah. Also, there are more casual ways to say Ohayou gozaimasu, like Oha.
Is that actually a word? I've never heard.
Yeah, I know. Ohayou gozaimasu, right? So Oha, right?
Oha.
You use it to only friends, right?
Oh.
Don't use it to like
This like
super elder
stranger.
Yeah.
Kon'nichiwa.
Kon'nichiwa? Do you know?
Isn't it like kind of like hi, or is it like good afternoon? Yeah.
Also, did you know Konnichiwa? It literally.
Literally. I understood. Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah.
Okay, translate into today is konnichiwa, and konnichi means today.
Wait, you were just saying to people, today is. What?
Today is.
This is definitely the first I've ever heard of that. They do not put that in the textbook.
Cheese.
Cheese. Oh, that sounds like cheese.
Konnichiwa. Cheese. Cute. Or some boys might just say us.
That sounds like the kind of greeting you'd give in like a shonen anime, like usu.
Yeah. Kon'chiwa. Kon'chiwa might be more, you can see them often.
Okay. So many ways to say.
Yeah.
Konbanwa.
Konbanwa. Do you
Konbanwa.
know Konbanwa?
Good evening.
Yes and no. Konbanwa also translates into this evening.
Is there no like Japanese term for good evening? There's no other word besides konbanwa, is there?
Konbanwa, good evening. I don't think so. Konbanwa is the most common.
So it's literally just,
yeah,
it's evening, brother.
this evening is.
This evening is.
Yeah, and
it's
today
evening.
is. You didn't know that.
No,
You didn't
I
know. You didn't know. Okay.
honestly didn't.
Sayounara.
Do you know how to say goodbye in Japanese?
Sayonara?
Oh, yep, you got it.
Hey.
Sayounara. Okay, so Sydney, I'm going to teach you about the actual full phrase to say sayonara.
Wait, there's a full phrase,
Yep.
sayonara? It's
Okay.
not just sayonara?
Watch me. I'm gonna do it. Okay. さようならばおいとまを申し上げます.
What?
Repeat after me.
さよならは覚えています。
The actual meaning of sayonara in English is, okay, watch me. Things being as they are, I shall speak my farewells. I read it.
英語上手。
ありがとうございます. My image for sayonara is really formal. So when your friends come up to you and say sayonara, Sydney, I'm gonna get worried. Like, okay, what, are you going to work or something? It's like a farewell in English.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it's literally like a long-term goodbye. Like, I
Yeah.
might not see you again. Adios.
またね。
またね。
またね。あと、じゃあね。
じゃあね。
じゃあね。さらばだ。
さらばさらばだ。
みたいな感じ
It's like I'm going to war. It's like
さらばだ。We don't use that. Well, it's
I'm gonna
funny.
use it.
Okay. Try it.
さらばだ。
Remember, actual word is さようならばおいとまを申し上げます. And in short, it's さようなら. Yep. Got it?
So, say I met up with my friends that I haven't seen in ages, COVID and all that. How do I say to them, it's been a while?
It's been a while. It's お久しぶりです.
Ah, 久しぶりです. Ah.
お久しぶりです is the full phrase. You can use it to anyone, but for close friends and stuff, casual, it's お久しぶり. Cute. So, お久しぶりです. Long time no see.
いらっしゃいませ。
Have you ever heard いらっしゃいませ?
Yeah, when you enter like stores or restaurants. So yeah.
Do you know 居酒屋?
もちろんです。
Oh!
Of course I know Izakaya.
Izakaya is a casual Japanese style
Yep.
bar. And when you go into izakaya, the people say いらっしゃいませ.
いらっしゃいませ。
いらっしゃいませ. It means, well, welcome.
Ah,
So like, but some foreign people just repeat. Like,
yeah. It's really hard because like in the West, when people say something to you when you enter a store, it's usually you like say something back like, oh, thank you, or something like that. Or you like say the same thing back to them. So it's like when you just enter a store and you don't really say something back, it's so hard to ignore. It's so hard. I feel so bad.
Yeah.
So say I'm just like walking down the street, I see a store, but I feel a little scared to walk inside, you know? I don't want to feel like I'm just
looking.
I'm forced, you know? So I just like kind of do a little window shop, you know, just taking a gander in.
Then I'll go.
Yeah.
いらっしゃいませ.
And now I feel welcome.
ありがとうございます。
Do you know how to say thank you in Japanese?
ありがとう.
gozaimasu is more polite. Arigatou gozaimasu. In short, arigatou. So
Yeah.
no, you're good. Yeah, arigatou. The real meaning of arigatou gozaimasu is the act of yours is hard for me to accept, yet I will accept it nonetheless. Arigatou gozaimasu.
That's really deep. I did not think
Arigatou gozaimasu.
I've definitely said arigatou gozaimasu to I think everybody that's ever.
That's a good thing.
It's okay. Okay.
Azas. I use azas a lot. Azas. Yeah.
I've never heard that before.
Sydney, azas.
Azas.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
And eventually, it's just S.
What?
Azas.
Are you kidding? That's a joke. There's no way that's real.
Well, some people use it though. It's not very polite, but.
It's like a snake saying hello.
Well, I don't think you're gonna use it, but.
I might now,
Yeah.
if that's literally.
すみませんでした
Sumimasen. Have you ever heard of it?
Of course I have.
you
Of
do.
course. Isn't it just like it just means like excuse me, you know, you're just walking through. It's like yeah.
But also, sumimasen has lots of meanings. Japanese people use it all the time. It's really convenient word.
How?
Okay, I'm gonna explain. Okay, so someone did something to you. You can say thank you, but you can also say sumimasen. Thank you so much. I didn't expect that you would do something for me.
Ah, okay. So it's like if you screw up at your company and they're just like, oh, I'll do the work for you, like, sumimasen.
Yeah, that's sorry, right?
Oh yeah.
Also,
Oh wait.
it has a meaning of sorry. Sumimasen is excuse me, thank
Yeah.
you, and sorry.
Ah. Okay, that does make sense.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, good.
Actually, out of all of them, this is the one that makes sense to me.
But also, like, なんだろう to show some. すいません、ごめんなさい。あ、like that, like that. You すいません. That's a really good example.
Yeah, you did a good down.
すいません. It's really useful.
Yeah.
So for friends, you can say させん, すみません became させん, すまん.
Suma.
I'm late.
Suma.
Sorry, すまん. I won't do that again.
Oh my god, that's cute. I'm guessing that's super informal then? Suma?
No, super informal.
Why are there so many ways to like greet and say these type of things in Japanese? There's so many.
There's a なんて言うんだろう hierarchy?
Hierarchy.
Yeah,
Yes.
hierarchy.
Yes.
In Japanese society. So like there's someone who's older than you or who's younger than you. So you have to like consider who you're talking to all the time and use different kind of words for that. From what I experienced, I joined this basketball team when I came back from Canada, and I had to say like "arigatou gozaimasu" for senior girls, but I said "azas."
Azas.
And the girls went like, "How rude!" Right? Because you have to use the polite, formal words for Japanese. But I didn't because European and North American.
Yeah, there's no like different way. It's very
It's
flat.
flat.
Yeah. Like which out of like the countries then do you prefer keigo or do you prefer flat, vertical flat?
What's important is to adapt
Yeah.
to whatever culture you're in.
Of course, yeah.
郷に行っては郷に従え. When in Rome, do as the Romans do.
We are out of time, but thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe. Hit that like button, smash that subscribe button, and we will catch you on the flip side. Bye!
Bye! またね!
またね!
ありがとうございました。
ありがとうございました。